Hey everyone, welcome back to our Chrome extension series. Whether you're using Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave, Vivaldi, or any other Chromium-based browser, extensions can really amp up your browsing experience. Today I've got 10 awesome Chrome extensions that will make your life a whole lot easier. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about Save to Google Drive. This little gem from the folks at Google AI does exactly what it says. It lets you save web content like images, videos, links, and files straight to your Google Drive for later viewing. Super convenient. Next up, we've got Compose AI. This handy tool is a game changer, especially for grammar checks and completing sentences. It's like having an AI assistant right there to lend a hand while you're writing emails, documents, or whatever else you need. It's like having a writing buddy in your browser. Privacy matters, right? That's where Privacy Badger steps in. Made by the awesome folks at the Electronic Frontier Foundation, it's your go-to for blocking those annoying trackers and keeping your online activities private. Got too many tabs open? No worries. Enter Tab Wrangler. This cool extension automatically closes unused tabs to free up memory and keep your browser running smoothly. Say goodbye to tab overload. Now, on to Honey. If you love snagging deals online, you'll love this one. It scours the web for coupons and deals on thousands of sites, helping you save some cash while you shop. Running a business? Then Keyword Surfer is a must-have. Say goodbye to pricey SEO tools because this one gives you keyword ideas, search volumes, and Google search results, all for free. Microsoft Autofill is your go-to for saving passwords, addresses, and payment info. No more scrambling to remember your details every time you shop online. It's like having your own personal assistant for filling out forms. Mouse lovers rejoice. CRX Mouse lets you navigate your browser like a pro with mouse gestures. It's a game changer for productivity and convenience. Amazon addicts, listen up. The Camelizer is your secret weapon for finding the best deals. It gives you historical pricing data right on Amazon product pages so you can make informed buying decisions. And last but not least, for our colorblind friends, we've got Colorblind by Dalton. This awesome extension helps you see more colors while browsing, making the web a more vibrant place for everyone. So there you have it, 10 awesome Chrome extensions to take your browsing to the next level. Links to all the extensions are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to let us know in the comments what your favorite Chrome extension is. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for more tech tips and tricks.